Everybody, Crystal with the Crystalina Perspective here, doing a travel checklist today. So I'm showing you guys some stickers from According to Allie, the Happy Planner, some utensils, and I'm excited because I'm using one of the new spring notebooks in letter size. So guys, when I travel, I like to create decorative, cute pages so that way I can document my journey, but not only just my journey, that way I can label and lay down everything that I need to do for my travels. So I'm starting with these According to Allie trees. I'm laying down some washi. I'm sticking some boxes down and a ton of stickers. Of course, if you are a person who likes to draw or just bujo, you totally could do that, but I absolutely love using my stickers. So here, as you guys can see, I have placed down packing lists. From time to time, if I have a sticker, like the According to Allie stickers gave us the option of getting this really nice California sticker. So I wanted to make sure that I put that sticker down to just highlight my destination. And y'all, we are getting this packing list, travel packing list together. So essentially a few things that I like to include in my packing list are various categories. So I like to put everything in a category so that way I can simply know what it is I either need to pack or what I need to do either before the trip, after the trip, if I need to pick up some things, if there are some things related to like passport issues or license issues. I want to make sure that I jot those things down on my travel checklist. So as you guys can see here, I'm just decorating away, but a little bit later you will see that I preferably like to label each section of this checklist so I can kind of know what it is that I'm doing. So I'm just using stickers here, highlighting what I'm doing for this particular trip. This particular trip was a planner conference called Go Wild. It is one of the largest planner conferences in North America. It takes place in the United States, and people from all over the United States and from some countries come, and we do all things planner related. So I wanted to make sure that I jotted down everything that I would need for this trip, everything that I needed to do for this trip, as well as all of the fun things that were upcoming with this trip. These stickers are created by the lovely Allie of According to Allie. She is a design team member here with Archer and Olive, and I recommend that you guys check her out. So now I am filling in my boxes. As you guys can see, I'm labeling outfits, shoes, accessories. I am jotting down like little reminders to myself. You know, you have to tell yourself what to do at times. So I'm putting down, you know, different things like I need to make sure that I pack my medications, pack my chargers. I'm adding some deco to various boxes to just kind of spruce things up. If this was a particular conference that took place like in a different country, or if I was traveling out of the country, I will make sure that I put down that I need to review documents, make sure that, you know, my COVID vaccine card is up to date, just all the necessary things to make your travel such a breeze. So I am just embellishing, as I love to do. You guys know that I absolutely love embellishing my work of art, as I call them. So I'm just using washi. All of this washi was just things that I had in my stash. So yeah, I'm here for you guys using whatever it is that you have. So one of the other tips I would like to give is that whenever you are packing or doing your travel checklist, you want to make sure that you are putting down various activities that you're doing. So you guys will see, I'll correct this particular sticker that I'm writing on. I forgot that we were going to Disneyland. So you want to make sure that you write down whatever activities that you're doing, and you also want to make sure that you are keeping intact any things that you may need to pack. So like for Disney, we wanted to make sure that we packed like our portable fans in case that it was hot. We wanted to make sure that we packed the camera, those type of deals. So you just want to make sure that you keep in mind what things that you will be doing when you go on your travels. You also want to keep in mind any type of events that you may be attending, because you may need to pack something special for those events. So I'm just filling things in. I'm going to do a little bit more embellishing here or there, and I'm going to hush now and let you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out the freebie that comes with this blog post over on the Archer and Olive blog website. And if you do a travel checklist, make sure that you tag me, and also make sure that you tag Archer and Olive.